Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on audio on Zoom. So here I'm going to open the Zoom apps first. Okay, so here is the Zoom apps. As you can see, this is the homepage. At the homepage, if you want to turn on the audio automatically, you just need to go to settings. This one's right here, and then here at the left panel go to the audio. Okay, so here you can just scroll down and you just need to check this box right here, automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. You can just check on that and your audio will be turned on when you are enter or join a meeting. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can turn on audio on Zoom. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!